Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams. Okay, now first I'm going to create a meeting. So I'm going to click on create a meeting. Let's say create and copy link, for example. Then I want to click on join and I will give it all the permissions. I do not have a camera right now, but I will click on join now. Then here you have this interface. Now, in order to share your screen, you just have to click on this button on the top right side. Then you want to choose the presenter mode, let's say content only. And here you have to choose between Windows or screen. So you can click on Windows and here it will show you all the windows that you have and you can share just one window of them. Let's say that I can share the Discord, I can share only the Adobe Photoshop, I can only share the OBS and so on, but I will record or share the entire screen. And now I'm sharing it. Here down below right here, you have this menu. Now it tells you that you are recording and you will see here a stop sharing button on the top middle of your screen. In addition, the participants can see your screen share right now. So now I'm going to click on stop sharing and now it's stopped, as you can see. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new tutorial.